Hi all and welcome to the Workspace Access Levels video in our series on collaborating in Terra. Workspace access can be modified by selecting the Share option in the Terra menu. This will allow users to add collaborators to their workspace. Once this is selected, a new pop-up window will appear. And from here, users can add collaborators to their workspace. And there will be a drop-down menu to indicate the access level for each collaborator. And you'll see that there are three different user access levels: reader, writer, and owner. And so here's a quick guide indicating what each of these levels mean. Readers can view tables, workflow configurations, and submission history. Optionally, readers can be given the permission to share workspaces with others at the reader level. Writers can do everything a reader can do, plus edit workflows, and add data. For writers, there are two more options. One to allow writers to use compute, that is, run workflows, and another to allow them to share with others at the writer level. And owners can do everything a writer can, plus manage user access and delete or lock a workspace. And so with this understanding of the different access levels, let's talk about some best practices. When setting up a shared workspace, it can be tempting to add everyone as an owner to avoid access issues, and this is something we see often. However, while this may seem convenient, it introduces risks, especially in public health bioinformatics and production workspaces. Instead, a best practice is to follow the principle of least privilege, ensuring that users only have the access they need to perform their tasks. The principle of least privilege indicates that users should only have the minimum level of access necessary to perform their tasks, nothing more. This is a great practice as it reduces risk by preventing accidental or unauthorized modifications. It ensures reproducibility by maintaining a stable, controlled environment for validated workflows. It enhances security by minimizing the chance of misconfigurations or data exposure. And it prevents workflow disruptions, as production workspaces require stability, and limiting access helps protect validated pipelines. So, when working with collaborators in Terra, there are a few things to consider. First, assign owner access sparingly, only to those who need full control. Writers should be granted access only if they need to modify data, workflows, or run analysis. And readers are ideal for users who only need to view data but not modify it. It's also important to regularly review and adjust access permissions as team roles evolve. By structuring access levels carefully, you can reduce risk and improve long-term workspace management. And so to wrap things up, here are some key takeaways. First, effective collaboration in Terra requires effective management of user access levels. And user access levels should be assigned based on team roles and responsibilities. The principle of least privileges helps to minimize risk and ensure reproducibility. And lastly, it's important to regularly review and update user access levels to align with the evolving project needs. And that's it for this one. We hope this was helpful, and we will see you in the next video.